Saint Celestine I, Pope of Rome. April 8th. Saint Celestine I, Pope of Rome, zealously defended the Orthodox teaching of the Theotokos against the Nestorian heresy and helped convene the Third Ecumenical Council. Saint Celestine I, Pope of Rome, served the Church during the 5th century, a period marked by significant theological challenges. He is revered in the Orthodox Church for his unwavering commitment to preserving the integrity of the faith, particularly his opposition to the Nestorian heresy and his instrumental role in the Third Ecumenical Council. Born in the region of Campania, Italy, Celestine was known from his youth for his piety and dedication to learning. He entered the service of the Church, rising to the rank of deacon, serving under Pope Boniface I. Upon the repose of Pope Boniface, Celestine was elected to the See of Rome in the year 422 AD. The Church of Rome entrusted him with its leadership, a responsibility he carried for nearly 10 years, guiding the faithful with steadfastness and spiritual discernment. The most pressing challenge Celestine encountered during his papacy was the emergence of the Nestorian heresy. Nestorius, who became Archbishop of Constantinople, began to propagate a doctrine concerning the person of Christ that caused great disturbance within the Church. Nestorius asserted that the Virgin Mary should be called Theotokos, meaning birth-giver of Christ, but refused to acknowledge her as Theotokos, birth-giver of God. This distinction, though seemingly subtle, carried profound theological implications. By denying Mary the title of Theotokos, Nestorius effectively separated the divine and human natures of Christ, implying two distinct persons rather than one hypostasis with two natures. This teaching undermined the core confession of the Incarnation, that God himself became man, born of the Virgin. Upon learning of this false teaching, Saint Celestine acted decisively. In the year 430 AD, he convened a local council in Rome. This council carefully examined Nestorius's doctrine and formally condemned it as contrary to the apostolic faith. Following this condemnation, Saint Celestine wrote to Saint Cyril, the Patriarch of Alexandria, who was already a staunch defender of orthodoxy against Nestorius. In his letter, Celestine empowered Cyril to act on his behalf, instructing him to demand that Nestorius publicly renounce his heresy within 10 days. Failure to do so would result in Nestorius's excommunication from the Church. This collaboration between the See of Rome and the See of Alexandria demonstrated the unity of the Church in defending the truth. The theological dispute escalated, necessitating a broader gathering of the Church's hierarchs. Saint Celestine, alongside the Emperor Theodosius II the Younger, played a primary role in the convocation of the Third Ecumenical Council. This council was called to assemble in Ephesus in the year 431 AD. Due to the burdens of his age and the arduous nature of travel in that era, Saint Celestine was unable to attend the council in person. However, he ensured his presence through his representatives. He dispatched 3 legates to Ephesus, the bishops Arcadius and Projectus, and the presbyter Philip. These legates carried with them clear instructions. They were to follow the spiritual and theological leadership of Saint Cyril of Alexandria, recognizing his profound understanding of the issue and his unwavering commitment to orthodoxy. The Council of Ephesus proceeded with careful deliberation. It examined the teachings of Nestorius in light of Holy Scripture and the tradition of the Church. The council formally condemned Nestorius's doctrines as heretical and consequently deposed him from his archiepiscopal office. A pivotal moment of the council was its affirmation of the venerated title of Theotokos for the Most Holy Virgin Mary. This affirmation was not merely about a title. It was a clear confession of the full divinity of Christ from the moment of his conception, upholding the mystery of the God-man. Saint Celestine's efforts and the work of the council secured a crucial victory for Orthodox theology, preserving the true understanding of the Incarnation for future generations. Beyond his central struggle against Nestorianism, Saint Celestine also engaged in other pastoral and theological endeavors. He worked to counter the Pelagian heresy, which denied the necessity of divine grace for salvation, particularly in Britain. To this end, he sent Saint Germanus of Auxerre to Britain to strengthen the faithful in Orthodox teaching. Celestine maintained correspondence with other prominent fathers of the Church, including Saint Augustine of Hippo, exchanging insights and offering spiritual guidance. Having served the Church with zeal, defending the faith and guiding the flock, Saint Celestine reposed peacefully in the Lord in the year 432 AD. His life stands as a witness to steadfastness in truth and dedicated service to Christ's holy Church.